is a test of our weather radio station's warning alarm system. This is only a test. During potentially dangerous weather situations, especially
Cooling degree days remained at 5 for the month and 25 for the season, which was normal.
Test of the signal and receiver's
Precipitation
performance
yesterday was 0.36 inches for an...
Eastern time each Wednesday. If there is a threat of or existing severe weather in the
Once
area,
again,
we
at
will postpone
Lexington,
the
it was
test to the
42
next
degrees
available
up.
good weather day. Reception of this broadcast, and especially the warning alarm tone, will vary at any given location. The variability is more noticeable at greater distances from the transmitter and will occur even though you are using a good quality receiver in good working order. In order to provide the most consistent and dependable warning service possible, we will activate the signal only for the following counties which are within our broadcast reach: Bell, Breathitt, Clay, Floyd, Harlan, Jackson, Knott, Florence, Lee, Leslie, Letcher, Martin, Owsley, Perry, and Pike counties, in Tennessee, Claiborne County, in West Virginia, Wayne and Mingo counties, and Virginia, Buchanan, Dickinson, Lee, and Wise counties. Once again, this has been a test of the National Weather Service's radio public warning alarm. We will now return to our reported programming.
This statement is for the following counties: North, Kentucky. The National Weather Service in Jackson, Kentucky has issued a flood advisory for the Cumberland River at Barberville until late Saturday night. At 3 a.m. Wednesday, the stage was 21.7 feet. Flood stage is 27.0 feet. Forecast: the river will rise to near 24.7 feet later this morning. Here is a special weather statement for the following counties in Kentucky: Knott, Laurel, McCurry, Pulaski, Rock Castle, Wayne, and Midland. Areas of frost possible tonight. Historic cold snap and temperature for frost formation across eastern Kentucky tonight into Thursday morning. The locations most prone to seeing frost will be the valleys. Take precautions now to protect sensitive plants.
Sunset tomorrow, 8:35.
Here is a special weather statement for the following counties in Kentucky: Adair, Casey, Clinton, Lincoln, Marion, Russell, and Taylor. Areas of frost possible Thursday morning. High pressure will gradually slide in from the west today and take control over the region. With clear skies, light winds, and dry air in place overnight, temperatures will fall into the mid and upper 30s for many locations. Frost may develop during the early morning hours Thursday, particularly in sheltered locations and valleys. Sensitive vegetation may need to be protected in the lower 40s.
Here we go. Here we go again.
This is the National Weather Service office in Jackson, Kentucky. We have just activated the public warning alarm tone as a test of our weather radio station's warning alarm system. This is only a test. During potentially dangerous weather situations, specially built receivers can be automatically activated to warn of the impending hazard. Tests of this signal and receiver's performance are normally conducted between 11 a.m. and noon Eastern Time each Wednesday. If there is a threat of or existing severe weather in the area, we will postpone the test to the next available good weather day. Reception of this broadcast, and especially the warning alarm tone, will vary at any given location. The variability is more noticeable at greater distances from the transmitter and will occur even though you are using a good quality receiver in good working order. In order to provide the most consistent and dependable warning service possible, we will activate the signal only for the following counties which are within our broadcast reach: Adair, Casey, Clinton, Greene, Knott, Laurel, Lincoln, Marion, McCreary, Metcalf, Pulaski, Rockcastle, Russell, Taylor, Wayne, and Whitley counties. Once again, this has been a test of the National Weather Service's radio public warning alarm. We will now return to recorded programming.
45 at Wilmington, Ohio, and 43 at Ashland. Under cloudy skies. This hazard